Kalos, wait lang, huwag ka muna mag-scroll. At syempre, magbibigay tayo ng ating word of the day. At sagutin natin itong katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following drugs below is considered as hallucinogen? So saan daw sa pagpipilian ng mga droga yung tinatawag natin ditong hallucinogen? Actually class, no, pag sinabi nating hallucinogen, ito yung klase ng mga drugs na kung saan kapag ito ay na-take ng isang tao, ay maaring makapag-give ito ng hallucination. From the word hallucinogen, ibig sabihin, kapag nakapag-take ang isang tao nito, is maaring magka-cause ng hallucination. Or else, ang apektado dito yung ating perception or sensation. Pag sinabi kasi nating hallucination class, that is the time that a person hear or kumbaga seeing or hearing things that are not really there. So, ibig sabihin, ang isang tao nakakita or nakakarinig ng mga bagay na which is wala naman dyan. That is called hallucination natin. Okay? Now, saan ba dyan sa klase ng droga sa baba yung tinatawag natin or kabilang sa hallucinogen? Tandaan natin, no? Ang ating hallucinogen is considered din ito psychedelic kasi yung ating stimulants, upper. Yung ating depressant, downers. Yung ating hallucinogen naman po is psychedelic po yon. Okay, saan ba dyan? Letter A, heroin. Letter B, cocaine. Charlie, marijuana. Or Delta, shabu. Tandaan natin, class, yung ating heroin, that is considered depressant po yan, ha? That is considered the strongest opium derivative. Okay? Ulitin natin, ang heroin, it is a depressant. Ibig sabihin, downers yan. So, ibig sabihin, class, ang heroin natin, it is also considered as the strongest opium derivative, as well as the most potent opium derivative, as well as the most addictive drugs. That is called heroin natin. Yung atin naman pong cocaine, yung bravo natin, that is considered stimulants at hindi yan hallucinogen. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating alpha tsaka bravo class, ikis na yan. Yung ating cocaine, it is a stimulant. So, ibig sabihin, uppers yan. And it is considered the most strongest stimulants. Pero teka lang po, sir. Parang kanina, sabi mo, heroin, the most strongest. Tapos, yung cocaine, most strongest din. Yes, pareha sila, pero magkaiba kasi kung saan nanggaling. At magkaiba kung anong klaseng drugs. Kasi yung heroin natin, most strongest opium derivative. Ibig sabihin, depressant nga po siya. Ang atin naman pong cocaine, the strongest stimulants. So, stimulants naman po siya. So, pareha silang strongest pero magkaiba. Kasi ang heroin, depressant. Yung atin namang cocaine is stimulants. Okay? And syempre, yung atin namang delta, klaro, stimulants din po yan. Magkasama kasi yung cocaine tsaka yung shabu natin, pareho po sila stimulants, pareho po silang uppers. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-take ang isang tao ng stimulants, magkakaroon siya ng aggressiveness or wakefulness. So, yung ating pong shabu is ikis na po din dyan kasi ang tinatanong hallucinogen. Yung shabu natin is stimulants po yan na which is considered yan na Foreman cocaine or tinatawag din natin yung the most abused drugs in the Philippines. Most abused drugs in the Philippines lang po, ha, kasi pag most abused drugs in the world, magiging alcohol yon. So the correct answer natin dito is walang iba kundi yung ating marijuana, that is called Charlie. Yung marijuana kasi natin is considered hallucinogen po yan, na which is tinatawag natin yung assassin of youth. At saka, syempre, pag tinatanong tayo, class, in addition lang, bakit mahirap tanggalin or mawala yung marijuana dito sa Pilipinas? The sagot kasi natin dyan is, it's because yung marijuana kasi natin, class, it is easy to cultivate. Madali lang kasi siyang tumubo, lalong-lalo natin dito sa Pilipinas, na which is marami tayong mga bulubundukin or marami tayong mga magandang lupain. At is considered, isa sa dahilan kung bakit hindi talaga nawawala yung marijuana dito, it's because it is easy to cultivate. So the correct answer natin dyan is Charlie, that is called hallucinogen marijuana. So paano? Sana nakatulong sa inyo yan. At syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel the Master Showman, Bilaser Blackalos sa CVRC National Tour and a registered criminologist. Sabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share, sabay ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.